On Microsoft Edge, if you search for anything, it will automatically search in Microsoft Bing. If I show you on the search bar, if I type anything and search it, it will go to Bing. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can change this to Google search automatically and permanently. So first of all, we need to go to this three dot icon, and from here you just need to go to settings, and inside the settings there are few options. From here you just need to go to this privacy search and services. So I'm just going to privacy search and services, and from here you just need to just scroll below to the last, and on the last you will get an option address bar and searches. So I'm just going to click here, and then from here you can see manage search engine, and there is also an option to search engine used in address bar. This is the two different option we will be using in this tutorial. So first of all, if you want to change the default search option in your address bar or this search box, you can just click here. As you can see right now it's set to Bing, but we want to change it to Google. So I'm just click here and go select it Google. So search on new tab, user, search box or address bar. You can also change this to address bar, or also can change it to search box. And you can also define and remove or add different search engine in Microsoft Edge. You can just click here, and right now you can see we have Bing, Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo, YouTube. You can change to any one of them. So right now I just set it to Google. So if I just go here and check it right now you can see it will automatically redirect to Google search. So this was the quick tutorial how you can change the default search option in Microsoft Edge to Google. I hope this video helped, and if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.